Hello, welcome back to our channel, and this is Kalandar and she is Sadia, and we are back with a new video. Today we are here at Surla Tar Mosque in Surla village in Goa, just close by to Sankelim, but you can see the lovely view out there. That's the Mandovi river out there. So the Surla Mosque was built again by Adil Shah in 1560.
60. Basically, this is Surla Tar means Surla is a village and Tar is that ferry point.
Okay.
And this is the mosque. So it is called Surla Tar Mosque.
Okay. So this is one of the famous tourist spots here. Like you can see how many people are here, especially for photography. You can see lots of them here. Lots of photographers here.
So this mosque is basically near old ferry point, and this water tank tell us the history about this mosque, and the place is so amazing. Many people comes here for photo shoot,
Hmm.
and as you all can see, so many of the youths are sitting that side. Another attraction is this water tank has 4 steps on all its sides and has beautiful mihrab and architecture.
Mihrab is this part, the architecture part. जो shapes है ना,
हाँ,
ये this is called the mihrab style
mihrab
architecture.
styles. And
So-
you can see the canals,
So-
small canals.
So this inside is canals. So when the water fills up, these
Canals
canals,
are also filled.
the canals are also filled. The water goes inside.
Yeah.
And like you can see, this architecture is quite does not look quite old, but just by looking at this water tank you can feel that how old this piece of history is, like the place over here. And it's amazing.
And also
actually,
it was declared as protected site.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
declared
this-
as a
yeah,
protected
protected site.
monument now. So like we told you earlier, it is built by Adil Shah, and Adil Shah had built
1560
yeah, around in 1516. So Adil Shah had built around 27 mosques
in Goa.
in Goa, out of which a very few are remaining. One of them was Safa Masjid, like you have seen in the previous video, and one is this. So there are lots of more pieces of history in Goa that we would like to visit and find out and share that with you.
Won't you take me home? Won't you take me home? Give me reason we can run away.
So that is the ferry point that we are talking about. So this ferry point is called Tar in Konkani in Goa. So that's why this place is called Surla Tar, because Surla is the village and Tar is the ferry point. I think that ferry joins the Mandovi river. This is the entire Mandovi river, which goes right up to Panjim and further beyond. Time to leave, as it's getting quite dark out here. And I forgot to tell you that this mosque is still operational. Quite fantastic to see how this mosque is still being run, and you can see people are going for namaz right now. So I will also go and have my prayers done. So see you guys. If you like this video, please share and put your comments in the comments box down below.
Also subscribe to our channel.
Guys, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification icon so that you get all our updates in our new videos.
हाय एवरीवन, जैसे कि मेरे हस्बैंड ने बताया कि वो नमाज़ के लिए गए हैं और यहाँ पे लेडीज़ प्रेयर रूम नहीं है, सो इसीलिए मैं बाहर हूँ, वेट कर रही हूँ मेरे हस्बैंड का। ये देखिए कितना अच्छा नज़ारा है, वाह, ये मस्जिद है। सो आज हमने माशाल्लाह, यहाँ तो अजान हो रही है, शायद आपको आवाज़ भी आ रही है। ये देखिए मेरे हस्बैंड वज़ू कर रहे हैं। नमाज के लिए।
So as we leave this place, just feels so nice and so good that I got an opportunity to pray in this mosque. So from inside I could not take much shots because out of respect. So inside of the structure is the same with the tiles and stuff. They've just renovated it inside, painted, but basically the inside structure is basically the same old thing. So only the flooring of the mosque has been changed and they've put modern tiles out there, but the rest of the structure is same. So I feel amazed. I can say now that I've prayed in a 16th century mosque built by Adil Shah. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.